Yes guys, I am here for another video. Welcome back guys. On today's menu, I'm gonna do fish soup. Well, here I have some fishes. I wanna tell you all, any fish, you can use any fish to make a soup. Right? You can use any fish. You can use them have some fish head, some fish that is big, then take all the head and just take the head alone and just make a soup. Them have all the wenchman back in the day. A long time I don't drink them soup, they say all the wenchman. But you have to strain it all out. Boil out the fish there and strain it out because the fish is very bony. But what I'm gonna do with this fish, I'm gonna boil them and come I want the bone of the soup. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna get this fish soup together. Alright? Yes, so here I have some fish that I'm gonna use to make the soup. We have to have our vegetables. Alright, I have pumpkin, I have carrots, I have chocho, Irish potato, I have some corn. Yes, I have my seasoning. Yes, we have to have our seasoning. Salt to taste. Yes, I have a cock soup that I'm gonna put in it. It's not a must, but I want to build up my flavor a certain way, you know. And I have flour. I put a little cornmeal in it. Alright, I kind of want to balance the flour a little. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put everything together and show you what I'm gonna do. So come along, alright? Clean the fish them. Clean them, cut off the unnecessary parts that we don't want. Right, I have some sour oranges that I'm using to cut down on the rawness. Right. And clean them properly. Yeah. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put some of the fish. I'm gonna put all the fishes. Alright, fish them. All the fish them. Alright, so this water is just boil them fish here and scald them now. You know, just kind of boil them. Still a kind of pre-seasoning, same way. Alright. Use 2 pigs of garlic and some salt and some pimento seeds, same way. A piece of scallion. Right. And just boil them for 5 minutes. Yeah, hardly. 5 minutes good. You know, so I'm just cover them down. And I'm gonna look about the vegetables and stuff. Alright. I have a style, you know, where, you know, I just blend out the pumpkin, right? I get everything. I just blend it out and just boil it out. But I'm gonna show you how I do it. Guys, I wash everything ahead of time. Alright? So then the fish are ready. So I'm kind of season it, pre-season it enough some. gonna turn off the stove now. I'm gonna take out two of these fishes. Alright, because I'm just gonna mash out. I leave some of these for us. You know when you drink a soup you want, you see look a meat thing, or you know, if you drink a fish tea. Depends on the fish though, but I'm gonna leave back two of these. And these now, just mash them out. Strain it out. Still have some more flesh, you know, we can get off some of them flesh here too. Alright, so I'm just get out some of them flesh here and come back and show you when I'm straining it off. Alright. I don't want the bone. I'm going to try to get away from the bone. So. Alright. So now, here is my pumpkin. Alright, so I'm going to wash out my blender to get out all. Wash out this blender to get out all my pumpkin and I'll leave back nothing in it. Hold on some. So guys, I'm gonna put in my vegetables. Alright. I still have some of this liver, the fish, some of the flesh. Right, and so I'm just gonna put it. Right. And these two now are 1 3/4. And I leave them for last. When my soup finish and everything, just place them on top of my soup. Because them season taste as is, we can eat it same way. Because them season. Right? So come along with me and I'm show you my process. Alright guys? Pumpkin so nice. Pumpkin pretty. Alright, let me put in. These are some soft corn guys. Like sweet corn. So you know I never have to overcook them from beginning. You know. So and this is the rest of seasoning, right, that I'm gonna put in. Guys, I'm gonna need the flour and make some dumplings. Oh, I can put in a little cock soup. I'll put in my cock soup. Dumplings are going last. I already put in a little salt already now. And the fish, when I was cooking the fish first, so I don't think let's cook this. I don't think I'm gonna need any more salt. Alright, just yes. Alright. Dumpling time. Looking pretty. And the camera, tell me if it showed the real orange. Orange is pretty color, but in real life it's pretty. Yeah. Put in our dumplings. What is soup without dumpling? I don't know still, but for me, I can't have soup without dumpling in a but there is a but. Guys, tell me if I can have the soup. If I cook a soup and it don't have any of the dumplings, how you feel? Or some people don't really like dumplings still in a butt. Yeah, you don't want me to give you 2 dumplings still. You know them look weird, eh? Yeah. I'm just gonna make it boil on for another 15 minutes. Alright, till you get it the consistency that I want. When you get the consistency that I want, you know I'm finished. Alright guys. I'm gonna turn off the stove now guys, because this is finished. You get the right consistency. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the fish in, them 2 fish here, just for like a 2 minutes. Right? We don't get some, because them done season cook from before as it's shown already, right guys? So just make it boil in for about a minute or so. And let me share a plate and come back, alright? So guys, what I'm gonna do now is just turn off the stove and share a plate, alright guys? This is the finished dish. I hope you like my fish soup guys. Tell me how I did. Tell me if you ever do anything exactly like this, or you do it different, or you do it. You understand? So I'm telling you again guys, thanks again for watching. Thanks for the support. 3K subscriber guys. Thank you for all the new subscribers, the new people and the old people. Thanks again. Alright, so thanks again and again and again. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss an upload guys. Thank you. Bye.